Hello kids, let's learn numbers today. 1. What do you see here? Cow. Can you count cows with me? There is only one cow. 2. Look, what's here? Ducks. Can you count ducks with me? Ready? 1, 2. There are 2 ducks. 3. Can you see cats here? Can you help me in counting? 1, 2, 3. Well done. We have 3 cats. It's number 4. It's time to count the dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dogs. Number 5. See, there are some horses. Can you help me in counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hooray! We counted horses. There are 5. 6. I see piglets saying oink oink. Can we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 piglets in total. Good job! It's 7. There are sheep. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, 7 sheep. Good job. 8. See the bunnies. The bunnies are hopping. Can we count the bunnies? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done! We made it! 9. Do you like birds? I too. Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 birds. Fly, fly, fly. 10. What do you see here? Roosters. You are right. Can you help me in counting roosters? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hooray! We have counted. There are 10 roosters. Thank you for helping me today. Bye bye. See you later. Please subscribe.